Hey guys, so quick video on how to read tempo. So tempo is basically this number in all of the exercises. So you see a little at symbol and then followed by 4 numbers. So the key thing to remember in tempo is that there is nothing changes for it. It's not the order of operation. It is a standard template for a set of numbers. So for any set of numbers, the first number is always the way down. It doesn't matter where you're starting in the exercise. The second number is always what you do in that bottom. The third number is always what you do on the way up. And the fourth number being always what you do at the top. So this way we can kind of standardize across multiple different exercises and have a tempo where we can do various pauses or, slows down, fast ups, or whatever it is on any exercise. So basically with a back squat, you're starting with the barbell in the back of your rack and you're going to be starting from the top going down. So in a back squat, the order of operation right here for this tempo, not the one that's kind of listed down here, would be, if we're starting going down, this would be 2 seconds down, no pause in the bottom, 1 second up, no pause in the top. You would be doing that for every repetition. So in this, it says 5 reps at this many tempos. So it's going to be a 2-second lowering on all 5 reps. So for a pull-up, because this is 1, 1, 1 across, that means since you're starting at the bottom of a pull-up, I mean, not always, of course, there's some exercises, but for this, for simplicity in this explanation, we're going to be starting at the bottom. So because the start of our tempo starts on the way down, we're actually starting at the third number for the pull-up. So it's always on what you do on the way up. So pull-up, third number means 1 second up. Then we're going to pause at the top for 1 second, as you can see this last number, and then we're going back to the first number, which is a lowering. So 1 second down, 1 second pause in the bottom. You're going to be doing that tempo for all 6 repetitions again. For a bench press, now again, this is like the squat where if you were to unrack it, you're starting from the top. So this means it's going to be a 3-second lower. Then it's going to be a 2-second pause in the bottom, followed by a 1 second up and no pause in the top. So as you can kind of see, like I said, the main thing is to remember is that this is standardized. So the first and the third number are always down, and up is the third number. So it doesn't matter where you're starting in the exercise. So now I threw in a strict press to again demonstrate where you're starting. A strict press starts from the shoulder blade going upwards. So if you're starting already in the bottom, that means you're starting at here. So the bottom is exactly that. So there's no pause going into up. So it'd be 1 second up, 2-second pause overhead. So this is where the tempo is kind of nice. Like I said, I can create a pause or a slow lowering, a fast up, whatever it is on any exercise. Here it is 2 seconds up, 2-second pause overhead, sorry. Then you're going back to the initial number, which is 1 down, no pause. So to see this kind of in action, you're going to go 1 Mississippi, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 1 Mississippi, no pause here, back up kind of thing. So you'd be doing that for all 5 reps, rest 90 seconds, and then you'd be doing this twice. So that's kind of tempo. The key thing, like I said, first number is always down. Second number is always what you do in the bottom. Third number is always what you do on the way up. Fourth number is always what you do in the top of that work of that exercise. Sorry. So hopefully that kind of explains tempo.